Friends, today we are going to see one theorem in the ratio estimate. The theorem states that in simple random sampling without replacement for large sample size n, variance of ratio estimate are equal to 1 minus f divided by n into capital X bar square summation I equal to 1 to etc. capital N yi minus r into xi whole square divided by capital N minus 1. So here capital X bar is nothing but population mean on auxiliary variable. Capital N is the population size, small n is the sample size, yi is the values of main variable in the sample, xi is the values of auxiliary variable in the sample. So variance of r cap equal to expected value of r cap minus expected value of r cap whole square. This is the basic formula for variance. So now expected value of r cap is nothing but small y bar divided by x bar minus expected value of r cap is nothing but r, since expected value of r cap is equal to r, that is r cap is unbiased estimator of r, capital R. So now take the LCM, y bar minus r into x bar divided by x bar whole square. So which is equal to expected value of y bar minus r into x bar whole square divided by expected value of x bar whole square, that is I take the expectation into the bracket, so we get this. So variance of r cap equal to expected value of y bar minus r into x bar whole square divided by capital X bar square. The reason is expected value of small x bar equal to capital X bar, that is small x bar is unbiased estimator of capital X bar. So we get here this. Now let ui equal to yi minus r into xi. We make this relationship for the sample. Here I equal to 1 to etc. small n. Therefore u bar equal to, this will be y bar minus r into small x bar for the sample. So similarly for the population it will be capital U bar which is equal to capital Y bar minus r into capital X bar. So y bar minus r is nothing but y bar divided by x bar. This x bar will be cancelled, so which is equal to y bar minus y bar equal to 0. So capital U bar equal to 0. So we have derived variance of r cap equal to expected value of small u bar minus capital U bar whole square divided by x bar square. There is one formula in the simple random sampling without replacement. Variance of y bar equal to 1 minus f into capital S square divided by small n. Here S square equal to summation yi minus y bar whole square divided by n minus 1. Now you apply the same concept to this. So variance of r cap equal to 1 by x bar square. Already there is a x bar square in the denominator. So here I have done the same value. Into 1 minus f divided by n, this concept, into s square. S square is nothing but in terms of u. So summation I equal to 1 to etc. capital N into yi minus r into xi whole square divided by n minus 1. So this will be, which is equal to 1 minus f divided by n into x bar square summation I equal to 1 to etc. capital N yi minus r into xi whole square divided by n minus 1. Okay. So we have proved the theorem. We have proved the theorem in this part. So sometimes we may be asked to find variance of y bar cap by using ratio estimator. So I continue this with this theorem. So variance of y bar cap is nothing but r cap into x bar. So here x bar, capital X bar is the population mean on the auxiliary variable. So this is constant. So we take the constant outside of the variance. So it will be x bar square into variance of r cap. So variance of r cap already we have derived in the theorem. So x bar square into 1 minus f divided by n into x bar square summation I equal to 1 to etc. capital N yi minus r into xi whole square by capital N minus 1. This x bar square and this x bar square will be cancelled. So which is equal to 1 minus f divided by small n summation I equal to 1 to etc. capital N into yi minus r into xi whole square divided by capital N minus 1. So this is for the variance of y bar cap. So in the next video we will see the another theorem.